Welcome everyone. Today we're exploring the InkSonic XP600 DTF printer machine, a powerful A3 apparel printer bundle designed to simplify commercial garment printing while delivering high-quality results. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this printer at the best price. The InkSonic XP600 is built for both speed and precision, making it ideal for small businesses or growing print shops. With its bidirectional printing and large droplet XP600 printheads, it can complete A3 size designs in about 3 minutes, or just 48 seconds for solid color graphics. This means you can produce more garments in less time, helping your business scale efficiently. The inclusion of a pre-installed DTF laptop ensures easy, plug-and-play setup, so you can start printing almost immediately without worrying about software installation or data privacy. One of the standout features is its maintenance-friendly design. The larger 3.5 micron nozzles and lower operating temperatures reduce the risk of daily clogging, and the holiday mode automatically cleans the printhead every 10 hours, keeping print quality consistent even during downtime. Additionally, the white ink circulation system provides rich, dense coverage while preventing settling or clogging, which is a common challenge in DTF printing. Combined with built-in ink filters, this ensures your prints remain flawless over long-term use. The machine also prioritizes reliability with its media hold-down tabs, suction system, and built-in heated platen. These prevent misalignment, smudging, or lifting of prints during extended sessions. The integrated film cutter allows for precise, damage-free cutting, making the entire printing workflow smooth and efficient. While it is a higher initial investment at around $2,939, the productivity gains, lower maintenance costs, and included accessories make it a smart choice for anyone serious about garment printing. Customer support is strong with step-by-step manuals, live assistance, and 6 months of free printhead replacement, so you're never left troubleshooting alone. If consistent, high-speed, professional-grade DTF printing matters to you, the InkSonic XP600 is worth exploring. Check the link in the description below to get your printer today and start transforming your apparel printing business with efficiency and precision.